In the last section, we took a step back in time and we learned a little bit about crystal history and how we can harness the ancient wisdom of crystals in our modern day world. What I'd like to do in this section is talk about energy, what it is, and the relationship between energy and crystals. Just to remind you what we said last time, which was quite interesting, there are certain tribes and civilizations that recognise the same properties in crystals. So namely jasper, jade, lapis lazuli, amber, all of these stones seem to resonate with these different tribes of people, and they concluded that they all had the same healing properties, even though they were living at different times on the planet and in completely different areas of the planet. So clearly something energetically resonated with all of them. So energy is all around us. It binds our molecules and atoms together with chemical bonds. It's in us, it's around us, it works through us. The difficulty for us though as humans is that we love physicality of things. We love to be able to pick things up and hold them, feel them, touch them, smell them, hear them, see them. And energy is invisible. However, there is one example I'd like to share with you. Rainbows in our sky. So this is an example where in lots of ways we are seeing energy. So rainbows are produced when just very small droplets of water in the air, suspended in the air, when light comes through the droplet of water, it is refracted and split into its different frequencies of energy, which produce the different colours. It's very similar in crystals. So this Lemurian quartz has a lovely peachy colour, whereas this clear quartz doesn't. Now light is coming through both of these crystals. It's coming through and then it is refracted within the crystal based on its compound structure, and because of that different compound structure it will then refract the light in a different way and produce a different colour, much like with the rainbow itself. So this is really nice because it's confirmation that actually energy does exist around us. But I'm sure a lot of you have also thought about times where you may have walked into a room of people and picked up that the room is really buzzing, it's a really good energy, or you've been around particular friends and they really lift your mood, they're full of charisma if you like. So this is where you're actually moving on a step and you're sensing energy, which is what we're going to be doing more and more on this course. Of course, there is the other side of that as well, and sometimes you may be around certain people or certain environments, places where you feel like your energy is depleted or drained. So it can work both ways. So this is why it's really important to understand how energy works within us and around us. The other thing we know about energy from science, nuclear science and more recently quantum physics, is that energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transformed or transmuted into something else. So this is also interesting to know with crystal therapy work, because in a lot of ways what crystals do is they magnify or transform energy. So because they are produced in the core of the earth and they are pure, they can actually teach us, if you like, teach our energy how it should be to get it back into harmony, and they can help to transform that energy. So I believe that crystals are really teachers, they're little mini teachers, and they are energy powerhouses. They are able to transform and act as a conduit for this energy transformation. And during the rest of this course, and course number 2 and course number 3, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply crystals onto the physical body, but also, very importantly, how to manage your own energy, because these beautiful little teachers can certainly help us get it back into harmony and alignment, but we also need to be very aware of our own energy, where we're putting our energy and where we are getting energy from. So this is what I'm going to discuss in the next section of this course.